पिऊन गाडी चलोवप्यांनी करचें न्हय हाचेर येरादारीच्या कायद्या प्रमाण कडक कारवाय जातली. सोरो पिऊन गाडी चलोवप्यांचेर कारवाय जातली म्हण म्हायती येरादारी संचालक निखिल देसाई हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
I can only say from the point of road safety that don't mix drinking and driving. If you have to enjoy a drink, enjoy it responsibly and at home. To my mind, I think if every one of us behave in our own responsible manner, it does not matter if there are bars along the highway. Because if you make a very strict rule that you will not mix drinking and driving, I think there is no problem. In addition to that, we have decided to strictly enforce all the traffic rules, which also include a drive against drunken driving. The traffic police and officials, we are in the process of procuring additional alcometers so that anybody who is found drinking and driving, we will deal with him very seriously. We have had instances of people who are caught drinking and driving, and we have been suspending their licenses, and we will not hesitate to permanently cancel their licenses if they are found to be habitually breaking the rules of the road. So all that I would exhort is that I am not worried about the bars being reopened on the highways. It's that even if the bars are reopened, nobody should mix drinking and driving.
So government can consider of reopening the bars?
No, that is a call that the excise department